My name is Shad from Uttar Pradesh. I have a degree in computer application. I got my interest in networking. I just wondered how the devices are communicating over the internet with each other. So just to chase my curiosity, I decided to specialize myself in networking.
What was your strategy?
I'm a very curious guy. I just wanted to have a new different experience, great opportunity for me because it is IT hub. So I decided to improve my communication. I was quite nervous. I believe by the time everything's get easier for me. As the time passes, CCNA was quite difficult for me. Yeah, language was still is an issue. My biggest weakness is my nervousness because my performance really goes down. I'm not able to deliver my answers. I believe having a hands-on experience, it is the key to understand how the networking really works.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, where our students join us to share their success story. And today we are joined by Shad, who is here to share his experience. So let's hear it from him itself. Hi Shad, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm good.
Congratulations on your placement.
Thank you sir.
Now, there are so many people watching you right now.
Yes sir.
They are excited to know about you. So please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Shad. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I have a degree in computer application from IFTM University. During my graduation, I was doing the cybersecurity course where I got my interest in networking part. So I just wondered how the devices are communicating over the internet with each other. So just to chase my curiosity, I decided to specialize myself in networking.
That's great.
Yeah. And after my graduation, I was looking for a professional training where I can have some hands-on experience with networking devices such as routers, switches. Then I got the course called Cybersecurity at Networkers Home, Bangalore. So I got myself enrolled in the July. So I started my journey there where I get hands-on experience with various devices.
That's great.
Yeah.
But there is a question that you're from UP, then you were pursuing BCA. Out of all the institutes in India, why Networkers Home? Why Bangalore?
Because as you know, so I'm from UP, which is come on the north side, and I also had because I'm a very curious guy. I just wanted to have a new different experiences. So I also decided to explore the south part. So that's where I think living in the Bangalore will be a great opportunity for me because it is IT hub. And one of the biggest advantage for me to improve my communication, I will meet with the new persons.
Correct.
We will have to communicate English. That was the biggest advantage, and that's what which fuels my decision to come here in Bangalore.
But again, why Networkers Home?
First, I was looking for an institute, so I searched. Networkers Home quite popular, and I have seen the website. They are offering quite good courses and with good placement. I have read their website, so I decided to pursue the CCIE security program from their institute.
Great, that's nice. So how was your experience? Let's talk about your enrollment process. How did it go?
My enrollment process was completely online. I just contacted with the HR. So I made a contact with the person who is working at the institute, and they explained everything about the course curriculum, how many modules are there, and that's how decided. They also provided me the schedule completely. So I got myself enrolled in July. That's how I started my journey at Networkers Home.
That's great. So overall, how was your experience? Like, can you elaborate your journey from where you started?
For the first month, I was quite nervous because CCNA was quite difficult for me. For the first time, I'm not able to grasp the concept quickly. But as the time passes, I was able to understand how things are working. What is it?
How about the language process here? Like, you came to a completely different part.
Yeah, that was also a good question. I believe by the time everything's get easier for me. Yeah, language was still is an issue when it's come to the communication because in my UP, I really don't have the environment to have a communication in English with anybody because nobody talks in English there.
Correct.
But in Bangalore, I met a lot of people from different regions of South India and to communicate with them, I had the common language, English. So that's how I got practiced.
That's great. Then how did your further studies go?
Further studies, yeah. My CCNA started, but still I thought I need to retake the CCNA again. That's what
Okay.
I did.
Mhm.
Then again, after when I completely confident in my CCNA, then I went for the Linux because
Mhm.
I was quite interested for the Linux, how this operating system works. First, I completed my Linux module. Then I went for the routing switching.
Mhm.
Routing switching, which is a advanced module when you come from the CCNA, where you learn
Correct.
about the routing and switching protocols in details. After this routing switching module, I went for the security part, where I completed my modules in FortiGate, ESA, WSA, and firewall.
That's great. So now, during this journey, how was your experience with the trainers?
Trainers are quite experienced and good because they are also able to explain the concept in detail. Whenever we had any doubts, we simply ask and they are very friendly with us. I never had a problem with any trainers.
Then coming to your interview preparation, how did you prepare for the interviews? What was your strategy?
Yeah, when it's come to the interview, my biggest weakness is my nervousness, because whenever I'm nervous, my performance really goes down. I'm not able to deliver my answers that
Yeah, that's actually a problem everybody faces.
and that's I really had to go through. So I started to attend various interviews from doesn't matter what type of interviews I'm getting, because I tried to improve my communication and to improve my anxiety which I'm having during the interviews. So that really comes with the practice. By giving some various interviews, I've started to have a feeling that I am confident and I can go for the real interviews. So
Correct.
I also given the mock interviews at the networkers home, which there we can practice. They ask very real life scenario questions where we can have a practice. If we are giving an interview for a real company, then I think it is a great way to practice for interviews.
That's great. So how many mock interviews did you attend?
To be honest, as I said, I'm very nervous guy, so I don't opt for giving all the interviews since I only done my CCNA and CCNP.
Correct.
Yeah. And from that, I started to have some self-study. Then by doing practice with various type of interviews, then I create the interview at a company.
So can you tell us about the company and job roles?
The company is Ahana System Software. It is located nearby to Bangalore. And it was very quite unexpected. I was very nervous when I will have the job. But suddenly one day I got a call and they were looking for network support engineer. So there was only 2 rounds of interview, one technical and another with HR. During the technical round, they asked questions which I already had the idea before giving the mock interviews. They asked a question about routing, switching, firewall. After that, my HR interview is done and then I have the offer.
That's great. So, even before completing all your modules, you have secured a job. That's kind of good. Let's talk about, any suggestion you have for the people who are watching, your fellow students, your friends, or your juniors.
From my experience, I believe having a hands-on experience by doing the labs, creating topology, by inspecting the packet flow, it is the key to understand how the networking really works. Not just by studying or watching the tutorials, reading the theories, because I spent a lot of time on watching tutorials, but still I was not able to grasp the concept clearly until I did the practicals.
Correct. As long as you do not do the practicals, you do not practice by yourself, it doesn't undergo from your hands, there's no way you can understand. Okay, theory is something you can cram, but practicals is something you have to experience it.
Yes.
Right. Great. So any last words for your trainers and team networkers home?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for support. I really had a great experience with all the trainer in this institute. I had a good journey. I learned a lot staying here, whether it is about meeting with new friends and people from their different cultures.
That's great. So it's really good to hear you had a great experience here and you are now in a good job. So once again, congratulations to you on your placement.
Thank you, sir.
And on behalf of entire Networkers Home team, I wish you all the best for your career.
Thanks.
So guys, this was another episode. I hope this motivates you and you also get closer to your dreams. I'll see you guys in another episode. See you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Keep watching Networkers Home.